Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Dodson again. This week in math, we are talking about weight. Now, when we're talking about the word weight, we are looking at this word. That means how heavy something is. This word weight is like when your mom tells you to wait for dessert until after dinner. This word is the math word for weight when we're talking about how much something weighs or how heavy something is. And so today we're going to be comparing the weight of two different objects. And I have here in front of me something called a balance scale. You can use a balance scale to compare the weight of two different objects to see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. So I found some objects around my house to compare the weight of. So we can compare the weight of a glue stick and a crayon. So I'm going to put the glue stick in one side of the balance scale and the crayon on the other side of the balance scale. Now you can see that the side with the glue stick goes down further, and that means that the glue stick is heavier than the crayon. That means it has more weight than the crayon does. So let's find some other objects to compare. We can compare the weight of a pencil and some scissors. So I want you to make a prediction in your head very quickly. Which one do you think weighs more? Which one do you think is heavier, the pencil or the scissors? Let's put them in the balance scale and see. If you predicted that the scissors were going to be heavier, your prediction was correct. The scissors are heavier than the pencil, which means the pencil is lighter than the scissors. So scissors have more weight than a pencil does. Some other objects we can compare are a rock that I found outside and a piece of candy. So let's see which one is heavier and which one is lighter. Ooh, the rock went down further, so that means the rock is heavier than the piece of candy. So you may not have a balance scale at your house, but you can use your hands kind of like a balance scale. You can pick up two different objects, like you might pick a book and a cotton ball, and you can hold them in your hands, and you're going to put the heavier object down lower. So I can feel with my hands that a book is heavier than a cotton ball. So I put the heavier hand down and the lighter object further up, and that helps me to compare the weight of the objects. I can even compare the weight of my keys and a popsicle stick. My keys are much heavier than a popsicle stick is. This popsicle stick is lighter than my keys are. So I hope you have fun finding objects around your house to compare weight and then completing your comparing the weight paper in your packet. Thanks so much. See you later.